Okay, so all set. Okay, so I want all the kids to get up. Yes, you need a warm up before the session. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's get ready for the warm up. And you all have to copy me, right? I am Miss Dipali Walia, your educator for today. Okay, and we will be learning today the three things in our literacy domain. What does this literacy mean? English. Yes. So today we will be covering three particular concepts today. Okay, we will be covering magic words, digraphs, and the sentence formation and the reading. Okay, so I want you all of to stand up. Come on, quickly, get up, get up, get up. Yes, so you all have to copy me. Okay, come on, you have to follow me, right? Okay, clap your hands high above, do the way I do. Clap your hands down below, do the way I do. Roll your hands high above, do the way I do. Roll your hands down below, do the way I do. Point your hands to the right. Do the way I do. Point your hands to the left. Do the way I do. Yes, the ones who have done will be more energetic to attend the session. Give me a fist bump. Yippee! Very good, Aradhya. Oh, lovely. So everyone is ready to give me a fist bump. Okay, so now you can take your seats and we are ready to fly. No, not exactly. But yes, we are ready to fly. It means we are ready to learn something new. Okay? So let me start with the magic E concept. Who? Which letter is this? You can write in the chat box. Everyone knows how to form three-letter words? Yes, because we have already done in our last session. Yes, we have already learned how to make CVC words. That means k at cat, m at mat, right? H at hut, p and pen. You all know? Give me thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. And do you know this thing? That all these CVC words consist of a short vowel sound. Yes, yes. The phonic sound of letters is called the short vowel sound. Like for letter A, the sound is A. For letter E, the sound is I, E, O, O, U, A. Okay? We call this short vowel sound. Okay? And you know what? There are four-letter words also. Do you want to learn how to read four-letter words? Yes? Okay, so let's do that. This magic E wanted to come to be a friend with three-letter words. And you know what? जब ये मैजिक ई आता है तो जितने भी शॉर्ट वाउल्स होते हैं ना दे आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग देयर ओन साउंड. Do you wanted to know how? Do you wanted to know how? Yes? Okay. Okay. So this magic E, whenever this magic E join with three-letter words, this magic E gives the power. This gives the magical power through the magical wand to the vowels only. To the vowels only to make a actual sound. Acha, fine. Now tell me if k app cap. Okay, fine. What is the sound for letter A? A. K a p cap. If this magic E will come after P, what the magic is doing? Magic E is giving power to A to make actual sound. So now you have to look on my screen. I'm just sharing my screen to give you a look. Okay. So these are some magic words. Okay. Now look it very carefully. CAN is can. You all have to speak. Repeat after me. It's okay if you are on the mute mode, but repeat after me. Can. 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 Hey, look. The magic E is there. after letter N. Yes. And when the magic is there, magic is giving the power to letter A to make its actual sound. So what is the actual sound for letter A? A. So now come on, let's read it. Will we read can this time? No, we will not use the phonic sound, short vowel sound. What we say now? Cane. Come on, all of you. Cane. Lovely, Aradhya. Okay. Don't do this. Parents, please keep a check if you're sitting nearby. Okay. So cane. Okay. Cap. Cape. Okay. But we are not making the sound for letter E. Why? Because letter E is silent. Letter E is silent. Kindly note down this thing, parents. Letter E is always silent. Letter E is always silent when we are forming four letter words and when we are making short vowel sound into the long vowel sound. Okay, fine. So these are the pictures. Okay, for some more words, you can read it nicely. Damn, dame, right? In the same way with letter I. Bit, I का real form क्या है? I. So what we will say after letter E? Bite. Bite. Okay? Cod. 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 And if we add magic E, it will become code. It will become Trisha code, right? In the same way, CUT is cut. Cut, cut. And when the magic E is here, she is giving all power to letter U to make it an actual sound. Come on, you make your actual sound. Cute, right? So your kid, yes, parents, believe me, your kid will be able to read the four letter words nicely. So you have to use these tricks and techniques, right? So please, if you are all are there, so please note down the points. E will be silent, okay, after four letter words, and you are making the short vowel sound. You're transferring the short vowel sound into the long vowel sound, okay? So we are only including the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, my dear learners? Right? And what you are doing after getting E? You are making the actual sound. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Okay, let me share a worksheet with all of you. Okay, but you have to do the worksheet in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, of all, I want you to read this. Okay. Try, everyone. Try. It's okay if you're on the mute mode, bacha. No problem. Pan. And the magic is here. Pain. Pain. Can. Cane. Make a long sound for letter A. Yes. Cane. Man. Main. Okay. Pin. Now make the actual sound for letter I, Trisha. What is the actual sound for letter I? Only I. Only I. Pin. Pine. Right? Look. प इन बोलते थे पहले हम लोग, राइट, शॉर्ट वावल में. बट अब हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? प आइन. E is silent. Okay? E is silent. Tin. Tine. Fin. Fine. Tub. Tube. Cub. Cube. So it is tub. What is the actual sound for letter U? Tub. Tube. Very good. Can. Cane. Okay. Pin. Add letter E. Add letter E. And it will become pine. It will become pine. Rob. Oh. What is the actual sound for letter O? O. Only O. So pen, pine. Rob, robe. Cub, cube. Kit, Kind.
Parents, please kindly do not do this
Ayush,
thing.
Ayush.
Children, they were not able to see.
Okay. So, kid, parent, if you're sitting there, please take care of your kids along with the learning scenario. Okay. So, please help them in learning also, right? Ask them what will be the word after adding letter E. Okay. To the CBC words. Tap, tape. Man, main. Okay. Very good. We have already covered our Magic E concept. So if you have any queries for Magic E, you can use the chat box, okay? For asking any queries so that we can jump onto our next concept, that is a diagraph. So I'm giving you 2 minutes for your queries. You can always ask whatever you wanted to ask, okay? Because only three rules are there which you have to keep in your mind while doing this Magic E. The first rule is you should know the CVC words, right? Okay. Second rule is E will be silent. E will be silent because E is giving all its power to the vowels. And third rule, short vowel will make the long sound. Yay, I am powerful. And letter E has given me the power to speak my actual sound. Done? So I hope parents you all are clear with the E concept. Please write in the chat box. Use your chat box. Can I see? First rule is magic E is silent. Second rule is you should know the CVC word. And the third rule is short vowel sound. What does short vowel sound means? Short vowel sound means the phonic sound of all the letters. A, B, K, D. These are the short vowel sound. Okay. And the actual sounds are their actual name A, B, C. So when letter E is connected with the CVC words, the short vowels are automatically changing its form into the long vowel. Okay, done? Fine. So let's move to the other concept. Yes, give me thumbs up. Yes, the ones who are sitting in front of me, very good. So two thumbs up, very good. So you all did so well. I've already seen in the chat boxes that you have already participated in my worksheets also. Okay, so now I want you to read this. Can you read this? Can anybody try to read this? Yes. So Vaishnavi is trying. Yes. So, if we will make the use of sound, can say the phonic sound, we will say sir, huh? What's that? Doesn't make any sense. Whoa, okay. If we'll make the sounds, huh? No, doesn't make any sense. Okay, so here I am to tell you what these words are called, right? These are called digraph. Repeat after me, everyone. Digraph. What we call this? Digraph. Okay? And how does digraph form? I'll tell you. When two consonant letters mix together to form a new version, it is called digraph. Okay? And the rule, whenever you are forming a word, whenever you're forming two letters, S and H, when joined together, and whatever sound it will come, you have to use that sound forever. You will not gonna move the letters from each other. Okay? S- sh. It will become sh. SH, sh. What you will say? SH, sh. And now you will always says it as a sh. Okay? CH, ch. Sh and ch, but it is not mandatory that there are only two digraphs. There are so many digraphs, children. I'm just giving you a gist and the touch of two digraphs today. Definitely, I will be explaining the other digraphs also, but I'm giving you the sound for two digraphs so that you can practice it well. And in our next session, we can always continue with more of diphthongs Okay, it is already connected with the diagraph. So it's okay. We'll cut it short here. And let me show you the worksheets, how the words are formed. Okay. So fine. If I wanted to show you something, will you be able to make the word out of sh and ch? What do you say? Okay, very good. Okay, so if I'll say the stars are shining bright in the sky. So where is the diagraph used in this shining bright? Can you write in the chat box? Shining bright. Very good. Shining. So parent, keep a check. Here your kid is already done with the diagraph. Sure. You don't have to tell him, right? Use, you have to remember SH also, SH also. No. Sure, he knows. That is a diagraph. And then the next letters he has to learn. That means you just have to form a word. Sh, ein, shine. Sh, up, shop. Sh, at, shut. Sh, ooh, shoe. Right? So will you find interesting? This is very, very easy, parents, to form four-letter words with the diagraph, with the help of a diagraph. Okay, children, what I'm having in my hand? What is this? Can you form the word for me? Write in the chat box. Yes, come on. Yeah, very nice. Very good. So you have seen children and the parents. Cha has already been done for them. They've already made this diagraph. Cha. They just have to form the word, and by adding more letters, they will be easily forming a new word. Okay. So what your mama does in the kitchen? Yes, on the board, on the chopping board. Cha up chop. Look at that. Very good, Aradhya. So it is a very, very easy task. Believe me, parent literacy is very, very easy when you find it interesting. It goes in go one way, right? So it is just to develop a love for the literacy in your kid, love for grammar, love for learning, and they will be doing like this. All the literacy concepts, believe me. Okay. So can you form more words, children, with ch and sh? Will you be able to do that? What we do? We shut the door. Yes, shut. It's a very, very easy way to form sh and t at. When you know VC word, what is this VC word? Two-letter words. P, up, t, at, right? It's very easy. Ch, p, chop. So you don't have to couch for letters, like you have to search for letters. Ch, up, chop, ip, ship, very good. I can see Sakshi, very good. Char is a Hindi word. Okay, choose, very nice, lovely. So now, so far, you know, right? You know what the diagraph mean. Sh and ch. So it is very, very easy for you to form the word. So let's have a look on some other diagraphs too. It is not that only two diagrams are there. Let me show you the more diagraphs. Okay. Okay, so look at this parent. Now they know SH, right? They know this diagraph. Okay, don't, no need to go for five-letter words at all. Leave it. Okay, we are the beginners, so we will learn step by step. Okay, we will learn slowly, slowly, and gradually. So they know phonograms. They know two-letter words. Add. They know at. They know ip. Right. So yes, children, just add ip, and your word is formed. Right? Yes, Aradhya? Your word is formed. So it is very, very easy to go step by step, parents. Do not expect your kid to be a writer, a reader in one night. Okay? They will not. Okay? Just go step by step. Now the four-letter words, they will be easy, very much easy for them to form. Okay? So there are rules for everything. So please follow the rules and give your child the freedom to learn in their own pace. They have their own pace, right? Okay. So come on, kids, are you ready for the worksheet? Yes. And what do you have to do? You have to write in the chat box. Come on, the first picture. Th or wa? Which diagraph will match to this picture? Come on, come on, come on. Fastest finger first. Th or wa? Uh-oh. Write in the chat box. Yes, it is whale. It is whale. Okay. Okay, next one. Yes, Trisha? Chair or phone? What is that? Chair or fair? It is chair. So which digraph will come, sweetheart? Cha or fa? Cha. Very good. Very good, Trisha. Okay. So yes, it is the ingestion sort of a thing, but yes, it's a thermometer. So thermometer or thermometer. Yes, it's a thermometer. Yes. Okay. Next is whistle or chisel. Wa or cha. Very good, Trisha. It's a whistle. Okay, next one. Phone or thorn. I hope the kids are writing in the chat box. Yes, so they are doing. Okay. Very good, Trisha. So she's giving me an action. Yes, it's phone. Okay, what the lady is doing? She's shutting the door or she's shutting the door? Shutting. Okay. So which diagraph will come? Cha or sha? Which diagraph will come? Sha. Very good. Okay, just look at the next one. Ship or chip? Very good. Ship. And next one. Photo or thoto? It's fa. Which diagraph will come? Fa. Very good. Thumb or bump? Th. Third diagraph. Okay. Shark. Shark starts with which diagraph? Sh or th? Sh. Very good. Now the next one. Mama is doing a chopping. Ch or sh? It is. It is ch. Very good. Yes, Arav. I want you to answer now. Thundering or thundering? It is th or fa? Yes, Kavya. Th or fa? When it comes to thundering. Thundering. Th. Very good. Very good, Kavya. I can read your lip. Yes, you're right. Correct. It's th. Lovely experience with all of you, kid. You are super energetic. I must say, Siyasha is also sitting here and she's also answering nicely. So I can see you are a super learner, I must say. So, children, I will just give you a just how we can make the sentences, right? So now you are very much thorough with the CBC words. Yes. So now this is the time to go to upgrade ourselves, right? Yes, you are not the small learners now. You are smart learners. So you have to know, you should know how to form the sentences now. And what are these sentences? Sentence means a group of all the words you know. A group of all the words you know and that makes some sense. There is a sentence, right? Yes. What we call it? A sentence. So the first and the foremost rule for the sentence, the first letter of the sentence needs to be a capital letter. What? The first letter of a sentence needs to be a capital letter. And whenever we finishes our sentence, we put full stop. What does this full stop means? Can anybody write in the chat box? Full stop means our sentence is finished, right? Yes. Okay. So let me give you a look how to form a sentence. Parents, if you want your child to read fluently, I'm giving you a trick. Okay. So it's a cheating trick. Okay. So you have to use it. Now let's have a look. What you should do, you know what you stress actually, what you force actually to on your kids, you want them to read in one go. Don't do that. Please don't do that, right? That is not actually the right technique to make themselves in reading. It's absolutely wrong. Don't ask them to read in one go. Come on, read the sentence. I want you to read the sentence. Why are you not reading the sentences? Oh, please. Look at this now. I am teaching the trick to all of you how to read fluently and go with this trick with your kids also. Fine. So the fluency trick is here. Okay. And believe me, do this for 2 days. I've already experimented this with my parents and my learners, and they are so happy. They were thanking me, "Ma'am, this is a true way to make them read nicely. And believe me, all their kids have started reading. The kids, repeat after me. The. Okay? They know the spelling for the. The dog. The dog. And whenever they are reading, just ask them to use their finger because they have to read on the one letter, one word where they are reading. Okay, they have to put their finger. The dog. Okay, the dog ran. Okay, you have to ask them, repeat, start from the very beginning again. The dog ran out. The dog ran out of. The dog ran out of the. Again, the dog ran out of the house. Yes. So why I'm teaching you this trick? Do you know why? Because the kid is going back on those words with which he has started forming the sentences, right? The dog ran. So now he is thorough how to read the complete sentence. Okay. For the former readers, I really want my parents to please go with the starting technique of these kind of visual learning. Okay. So now what comes? The reading activity. We have only few minutes left, but yes, I know my kids are super energetic. Okay, you want them, ma'am? Sure, we will be sending you, right? Okay. So children, what you can see at my back? Can you see a garden? Yes, it's a garden, right? Okay. So one word is missing. Okay, so can you able to read the word? Read this. Cat is on the. Will you help me out to complete the sentence? That is only means what the sentence is. Okay, so now which word is this? Mat. Okay. Ma'am, please add me in the WhatsApp group. Ma'am, please add them in the WhatsApp group. They really wanted the materials and the learning. Okay. So now can you be able to read this? Come on, let's do this again. Come on. Cat is on the mat. Okay, so you've already formed a sentence. Now the next one. The pot is, it's very, it's very, yes, come on. I found some word. What is this? Hot. Yes. So can we add this here? Can we add this here? And now I want you to read the sentence again. Come on. The pot is hot. Hot. Very good. So we have formed the second sentence also. Now the next sentence. Pen is in the rug. No. So you have to tell me what is this word. So now please try to read the word. Parents, allow your kid to read the sentence themselves. Please. Please allow them. Pen is in the bin. Okay, the next one, the last one. Water. Bug is on the in the bottle. The very good. The last one is like you're super smart because only this word has been left out. Okay. So yes, have you seen? Bug is on the rug. So can you see? This is very easy task to form a sentence and to read the sentence. Yes. Okay. And yes, soon we will be introducing you with the new concept also in our coming sessions. Okay. So you have to be tuned with all of us with the Zil skill, right? So yes, now you can ask your queries, whatever you wanted to ask.
Children, if you have any query, you can ask in the chat box.